Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial video, we will exploring the basics of using formulas in Microsoft Excel. Formulas are the powerful expressions that allows us to perform calculations and manipulating the data. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand what formula is. In Excel, a formula is an expression that operates on values in a range of cells or a single cell. It starts with an equals to sign and can include various mathematical operations and functions. For example, to find sum of range of values from cell A1 to cell A3 equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3. The basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let's perform some basic arithmetic operations on Excel worksheet. I have written some values in Excel worksheet. So let's start with addition. We have values in cell A2 and A3. To add those values, write the formula equals to select cell A2 plus and cell A3 and then hit enter to execute the formula. You will get the result. So let's see subtraction equals to A2 minus A3. You will get the subtraction result. Let's see multiplication equals to A2 multiply A3 and then hit enter. You will get the final result. So let's see division equals to A2 divided by A3. You will get the division of the values. So that's all for this video. In this video, we learned definition of formula, how to perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by using formulas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.